Next, we move on to density. Density is the mass per unit volume. Okay, going to throw weight aside. It's the mass per unit volume, so you expect the density to remain the same when it is on Mars, on Moon, near the Sun. The density will still be the same because mass is the same, the volume is the same. Okay, so the formula here is formula here is the density represented by rho is mass over volume. Let's look at example 2. Okay, example 2, I have a block of copper with the following dimensions. I have a block of tin with these dimensions, and both of them are melted down to form bronze. Okay, then at the end they ask what is the density of the bronze. Of course, they need to give you the density of copper and the density of tin. Okay, density. Okay, recall that density equals to mass over volume. So I need to find the mass of the bronze and the volume of the bronze. How do I find mass of bronze? Recall mass equals to density times volume. So the total density of the total mass of the bronze is made up of the density of copper multiplied by the volume of copper plus the density of tin multiplied by the volume of tin. Density of copper is given 9.0. The volume of copper is 10 multiplied by 15 multiplied by 5. Next, let's move on to tin. The density of tin is given 7.3, and then the dimensions of tin 8, 5, and 3. Okay. Add the mass of copper and the mass of tin together, you're going to have a mass of 7,626 grams. Next, let's move on to find the total volume. The total volume of the bronze is, of course, the total volume of the copper plus the total volume of the tin. So, volume of copper plus volume of tin. The volume of copper, 10, 15, 5, plus the volume of tin is 8, 5, and 3. Add them up and you have a total of 870 cm3. So finally, to find density, I will take mass over volume, mass of the bronze over the volume of the bronze, and then I have 766 over 870. This will give me 8.765 gram per cm3. Okay, let's go back to the question. Look at the question again. This is the dimensions are given to 3SF, 3SF, 2SF, 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 2SF. So at the end of the day, I need to give my answer to 2SF. I need to give it to the lowest significant figure. So my final answer, I need to round off to 2SF, 8.8 gram per cm cube. Okay. So hopefully you have a clearer idea of density. Okay, and that's the end of this lesson.